What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. I'm testing out the easiest ways to earn money online. Recently, I came across a site called Surf that pays users just for surfing the web. The only problem is, I'm not supposed to be using it. The beta version of Surf is only intended for USA and Canada. I like free money though, so I verified a fake USA number using the text verified service. This costs 75 cents to do, but I'll be in profit after one cash out. I set my location to New York, since that's where most other superheroes live.
Aww.
You'd think they could see I'm in the UK by my IP address, but they don't seem that bothered.
Am I really that bothered?
It doesn't really make sense that they would demand American phone numbers, but then allow users from any IP location, and even accept VPNs.
There's a simple and highly satisfying explanation. You see...
Hey everybody! Surf's up!
You get up to 600 points a month for installing the browser extension and letting them spy on you. If you have privacy concerns, you could simply use a decoy browser just for this purpose.
Decoys, Lois! Decoys!
Surf pride themselves in not offering real cash as a reward, but you can get a Visa gift card if you save up enough points. It's possible to convert these to PayPal Cash using the tutorial on my website. For now, I'm going to redeem an Amazon.com gift card to show you some payment proof. It will arrive within 3 days. Bear in mind that this code only works on the American Amazon and not on the international sites. I'm going to save up for something big, like a phone.
Hello!
If you'd like to give Surf a try, you can get a 1000 point bonus by using my referral link in the description. Thanks for watching the video in full. Make sure you subscribe to receive more lazy money making tips.